If you're looking for a way to reduce stress, increase body awareness, and find a deeper sense of calm, you're in the right place. Find a comfortable position, either lying down or sitting with your back straight. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths. Throughout this meditation, we'll use gentle touch to enhance your experience. However, if you don't feel comfortable touching yourself, that's perfectly okay. You can simply observe the sensations in each area, or imagine a warm, soothing light enveloping and comforting these areas instead. This practice is about what feels best for you, so make adjustments as needed. Start by bringing your attention to the top of your head. If it feels comfortable, gently place your hands on the top of your head or lightly touch your scalp. Begin to make small, circular movements with your fingertips. Notice any sensations or feelings you might be experiencing. Move your attention to your forehead. You can use your fingertips to lightly massage your forehead in gentle, sweeping motions. Breathe into this area, and as you exhale, let go of any tension. Shift your focus to your eyes. With your fingertips, gently make small circular motions around your eyes, just below the eyebrows and below the eyes. Imagine these circles soothing the area and easing any tension. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, release any tightness you may feel. Bring your awareness now to your cheeks and jaw. You can use your hands to gently stroke your cheeks or massage your jawline. Feel how your jaw is positioned, whether it's clenched or relaxed. Breathe into this area, and as you exhale, let go of any stress or tension. Now move your focus to your neck and shoulders. Notice any stiffness or tightness. Use your fingers to gently knead your neck and shoulders. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, imagine the tension melting away. Allow your shoulders to relax and fall away from your ears. Shift your attention to your arms, from your shoulders down to your fingertips. Place your hands on your upper arms and use long, soothing strokes from your shoulders down to your wrists and fingertips. Notice any sensations and allow your arms to relax. Breathe into your arms, and as you exhale, sigh it out. Bring your awareness to your chest and upper back. You might place your hands on your chest and gently press or rub in a soothing manner. Notice the rise and fall of your breath. Allow your chest to soften with each exhale. Move your focus to your stomach. Gently place your hands on your belly, feeling the rise and fall with each breath. Feel the warmth of your hands seeping into your skin and comforting you. If you notice any tightness, breathe into your stomach and let the tension dissolve with each exhale. Bring your focus now to your thighs, knees, and lower legs. Place your hands on your thighs and use long, soothing strokes down as low as you can reach. Finally, bring your attention to your feet and toes. Gently flex and stretch your toes, allowing them to spread and contract naturally. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, let your feet and toes fully relax. Now that you have scanned your entire body, Take a moment to notice how you feel. When you're ready, take a few more deep breaths and bring your awareness back to the present moment. Whenever it feels good to you, open your eyes. Take a moment to appreciate the relaxation and awareness you've cultivated. Thank you for joining this meditation. Take care of yourself, and as always, have a wonderful day.